Hello and welcome all. I'm Dr. Aruna. Recently, I have uploaded 7 videos on chakra meditations. Since then, I'm receiving many queries on how to do these chakra meditations so that we get best results. For example, just doing one every day is enough, or doing more than one is required, which one to select, and many other questions. So I thought I would answer all these queries personally. Friends, let us first understand what are these chakras. These chakras are the energy centers in our energy body. They are located at the intersection of major veins, nerves, arteries, and specifically endocrine glands, which are governing all the functions of our physical body. It is said that any blockage or imbalance in our chakras creates imbalance in our endocrine glands, which results in physical, mental, or emotional imbalance, creating all sorts of diseases in our physical life. So cleansing and balancing these chakras daily is absolutely essential for our physical, mental, and spiritual well-being. Now the question is how to go about it. How many in a day or which one to select? Well, there are 2 ways of doing it. First way is very simple. You can do one meditation daily starting from root chakra, that is strengthening your adrenaline gland, and then continuing on the 7th day you can do crown chakra meditation, that is strengthening your pineal gland. Second way is to do 2 meditations daily in combination for getting the best results. For example, let us take first day. First day in the morning, you can start with root chakra meditation in the morning and heart chakra meditation in the evening. Your root chakra prepares you to hold abundance in your life, and heart chakra opens different directions so that you can receive abundance from different avenues in your life. Now, second day, in the morning, you can do sacral chakra meditation, that is water element in your body, and in the evening, throat chakra meditation. Now, your sacral chakra is all about intuition, gut feelings, your creativity. But all these powers will be of no use unless you express them in the outside world, which is possible only when your throat chakra is open and balanced. Now take third day. Third day, in the morning, you can do solar plexus or Manipur chakra meditation, that is fire element in your body. And in the evening, third eye chakra or Ajna chakra meditation. Now, solar plexus gives you personal power, confidence, feeling good about yourself, decision-making power. But all these powers might take you in the wrong direction or might take you on the ego trip unless you are connected with higher intelligence, higher knowledge, or higher wisdom, which is third eye chakra can give you. Now, fourth day, in the morning, you can do heart chakra meditation, and in the evening, you can do crown chakra meditation. Your heart chakra is about love, gratitude, relationships, feeling grounded in this world. But again, unless you are connected with your crown chakra or unless your crown chakra is open, this love might take you into attachment or possessiveness or self-pity, pain. So, complete the cycle in 4 days and keep on doing this continuously. You will start getting the results within 1 month. And what results you can expect? Well, to name the few: energy, vitality, feeling good about yourself, happiness, joy without any reason, focused attention, focused concentration and memory, overall improvement in your physical health. And the best part is, it balances and aligns physical, mental, and spiritual dimensions, which attracts all the positive things in our life, and people call it luck. So friends, I hope this information will guide you to get best out of these meditations. So do them daily and give me feedback in the comment box. Link to other videos is also given in the description box. And if you like my videos, please do not forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. All the best. God bless you. Thank you so much.